Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the basics right. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This is necessary so the car can see it. Then, on the I20's head unit, open Settings, select Phone, and choose Bluetooth. You're starting the connection now, not later. This sequence makes discovery reliable and prevents the unit from timing out during the next steps. You'll now perform the equivalent of a handshake. On the head unit, choose Scan or Add Device and wait until your phone name appears. After you select your phone, a pairing request pops up on both devices. Accept it on your phone and on the screen if prompted. Make sure you compare the passkeys displayed on both the I20 and your phone. Confirm they match. This prevents accidental pairing with another device. Once confirmed, the devices exchange credentials and store the connection for future use. Finish by setting your phone as the primary call and media device in the head unit and enable contacts and audio sync when your phone asks. This allows hands-free calling and music. You should see call and media icons active. Test by making a call or playing a track. If the connection fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the head unit and restart your phone, then delete any old I20 entries on the phone and reinitiate pairing. This clears state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.